In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop Siri from announcing calls on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings. Then scroll down until you find the Siri and the search. And there are two different ways how you can stop Siri from announcing calls, and the first way is actually to turn Siri off. To do that, make sure that listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri features toggled off. If you don't want to turn Siri off, there is another way how you can stop Siri from announcing calls. Just get into announce calls and then just select never or one of other options. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.